So next is we have to install the glance. So if you read the glance image, it is the image services. So all the image, whatever the image you will use, so it will uh, the glance is the feature who will bring the images which you will use Windows, Linux and other things. What it will do, it will go and discover, register and retrieve your virtual machine images. It definitely, it also works on the REST API calls. It query the various means virtual machine, the image metadata and retrieve the actual image. So okay, so there is multiple components in that in glance API. So in this component, it what it will do, it is the it just call for the image discovery and retrieval and storage. So there is to store that information, glance registry is there, database is there, and storage repository for image file, and metadata definition service is there. Yes, it's completed the installation. Now keep the backup of this file so that it will use later on. So first thing, it is mentioned about the database, so you have to find slash database. So here you can give the first line and change the password. So that is the mandatory, otherwise it will not able to connect to the database. The next is keystone underscore auth, keystone underscore auth. Yes, here. So what we have to give here up to here. So here password is red hat, glance image, default project name is service, authentication type password, controller, and is fine. Last is paste underscore deploy. Yes, so here is what is our flavor is keystone. So there is different types are there. So here might be it is different flavor keystone only it mentioned. So done. Okay, so there is a couple of more things are there. Glance underscore store. Spelling was incorrect. Glance underscore store. So here, okay, it will tell you where it will store and default storage file. So and this particular we have to create the directory if it is not there. Now it is not there, mkdir this one, and you have to mention check the permissions also. So there is another file which is we have to make the changes, that is called etc/glance registry.conf. So in the registry it will store all the information which is, so we have to take the backup. Same database firstly, copy, and I'm just changing the password. Then key underscore authentication, same password I will leave. Red hat, saved, and keys paste underscore deploy, all the same thing. So now we can try to populate the database, sync successfully. So we are good up to here. Now let's keep enable service. Both enabled, and now start the service. Yes, done. I can check, but I'm sure it will work. So now not Ubuntu and the verify operation. So to verify, I'm just downloading this image from internet. That is the very lightweight Cirrus image. wget install wget. Yes. So that is very small Linux image Cirrus. I'm just downloading that so that we can create this file and showcase how if you have Red Hat image, Windows image, how you will use it. So Cirrus hyphen file, and disk format. There is different formats are there. It is Qco2 and available publicly. No, some error came. Image to storage disabled. Adding images to storage disabled. Okay, so there is this one. Okay. Chmod. I'm just giving full permission so that I just want to check will it is the problem of permission or something else. Error in storing configuration. Adding image to storage disabled. Yeah, I have just changed one setting, so I will let you know here. Grab -b4 glance underscore store. So what I did, glance underscore store, yes. Why it didn't come? B4. Okay, no problem. Let me open the file and I will showcase. Glance underscore store. What I did, I just default underscore is equal to file. I just commented it because there is some changes into the glance is continuously happening. So sometimes it has a bug. So it's better to always try the couple of things which you feel it is not exactly required. So you can leave it. So the next is yes, we have verified Xerox is installed now. The next parameter we can try with the image list. So we can see the image list now. Yes, done. So our glance is installed now. So next topic we will start. So after glance it will be, yes, Nova. So that is the main component which is required now. So thanks, I will show you the Nova configuration into the next video. Thank you.